Hello everyone, I'm Nova Lui, Head of Investors Advisory at RHB Bank. Thank you for joining us for our Q4 2024 Fund Discoveries idea. Emerging markets have outperformed developed markets, with much of the gain being driven by the strong September performance, particularly due to a rally in Chinese equities. Although the Chinese onshore market was closed for the Golden Week holiday, there is a potential for catch-up, especially considering the movement in the offshore shares. Meanwhile, global equities, including the US market, remains relatively flat after the August pullback, which was influenced by a reversal in carry trade following Japan interest rate hike. Let's look at the unit trust industry fund flow for the past one quarter. The highest industry outflow was from Asia and Chinese equity funds, with combined outflow close to Ringgit 900 million. We continue to see material inflow in Malaysia fixed income fund, outperforming the inflow in global fixed income fund for investors who continue to see benefit for investing into fixed income in view of the potential rate cut that will benefit the fixed income market. Within the equity space, interesting to see more inflow for Malaysia equity strategies, including the broad equity market, income strategy, and mixed asset aggressive strategy. Within the global equity space, there is more inflow for global mixed asset comparing to inflow for global equity fund, as investors are cautiously optimistic on the global and US equity market. Let's look into our fund discoveries idea for this quarter. The first one I want to share is RHBI Sustainable Future Technology. We continue to believe generative AI to have a material structural change in the economy. In view of the strong rally in technology and AI underlying stocks in recent years, investors may then consider a more diversified strategy when it comes to allocation within the market capitalization of the underlying holdings. There remains opportunity within different building blocks of generative AI. RHBI Sustainable Future Technology Fund Advisor is Janice Henderson, who has extensive experience in managing global technology fund. Even within the Magnificent 7 stocks, not all are in positive territory for this year, hence stock picking is increasingly important to deliver better return over risk ratio for investors. For investors seeking more flexible approach, we present TA Total Return Income Fund. This is a global mixed asset fund managed by Fullerton. This is an income fund where the fund aims to pay monthly distribution of 5% per annum from its NAV. The core strategy allocates 60% to equity and 40% to fixed income, though the fund manager may adjust allocation based on the market conditions. Exposure to specific sector or company can be achieved through means such as allocating to ETF or directly investing in underlying shares. The fund can allocate up to 80% equity exposure during favorable market conditions, while stay defensive in fixed income and cash during volatile time period. RHB Global Equity Premium Income is an equity fund which offers exposure to equity market while aims to achieve the consistent payout from underlying dividends and option premium. The fund forms the core holding of our income investing strategy. The fund targets 7 to 9% per annum payout on monthly basis to our investor. The underlying equity portfolio is actively managed by JP Morgan Global Premium Income Investment Team. The first three funds shared are in line with our investment team for the fourth quarter, where we remain cautiously optimistic in the global equity space, trust that broadening global equity market rally and income-related strategy will weather well in the volatile market in the last quarter of the year. While we see value in Chinese equity market, there is uplift in the overall outlook of Asia Pacific and China market considering the recent massive stimulus announcement from China. Investors may consider a strategy that is more diversified, which allows the fund manager the mandate to decide its allocation within Asia Pacific market. Principal Asia Pacific Dynamic Income Fund is an absolute return strategy that focuses on bottom-up strategy to create excess return for investors. The fund increases or reduces exposure to any country or sector within Asia Pacific equity market, where fund manager finds opportunity in such market. At the moment, the fund has high exposure into technology sector with highest exposure in Hong Kong and India market. The Malaysian economy is expected to improve with a rebound in manufacturing activities and gradual improvement in trade and external demand. The recovery in Chinese economy, a major trading partner, would further boost Malaysia's export and manufacturing sector. The escalation of US-China trade war and shift in global supply chain has positioned Malaysia as a strategic hub, attracting increasing level of FDI from global giants. Political stability and prospect for feel-good factor from upcoming budget announcement may benefit Malaysia equity market. AHAM Select Dividend Fund offers exposure mainly in Malaysia equity market, while diversified the rest to Asia Pacific dividend leaders underlying share. The fund has done well by delivering reasonable total return at focusing on equity dividend strategy. The subsequent two funds wraps up our view on the rest of the emerging market, including Malaysia. For a more comprehensive model portfolio that's suitable for your risk profile, please engage our RHB Bank's relationship manager to know more how to build a diversified portfolio. Thank you for joining our podcast today. I hope my insight have provided valuable information to help you make more informed investment decisions. Please view our market insight materials from RHB Merge website. See you again in the next podcast series.